Here we've got Neil Fergie, who's Assistant Greenkeeper number 1 course and currently standing in to do some mechanical work. Thankfully he's a great asset for us, but Neil is actually checking the quality cut on this triplex unit, green unit with 11 blades. As you can see, he's got a piece of paper and just testing how sharp it is. Now you want a nice clean cut on the paper. You don't want a tuggy cut or a jagged cut, because that affects the grass and grass health. Here we go into an old green unit. Well, it's not an old one, it's a unit that's not really been getting used. It's got 11 blades, and then it's got a bed knife. Basically as the cylinder blades rotate, it's cutting against, basically it should be 2 sharp edges, the reel and the bed knife, and that should give it a nice clean cut on the grass. A jagged cut is not what we're looking for. So anyway, this needs worked on, and this is Neil stepping in and doing his mechanical work for us. This is the grinding of the cylinder. So he's just all setting it up just now, and he'll be starting it off in a minute now. So basically the cylinder starts rotating, and then there's an actual grinding wheel that travels along, and that starts sharpening the cylinder. You'll see that in a minute as I go in here. Now you should see some sparks flying. Basically it's just similar to an angle grinder, but just a lot more expensive. You see that grinding wheel down the bottom left there, so that goes across and it's sharpening, taking all the high bits off the cylinder and sharpening it, and gives a nice sharp cylinder. So when you're doing the cylinder, you've got to do the bottom blade or the bed knife as well. So this is another type of sharpening and grinder wheel going along the surface of this bed knife. So now we should have 2 extremely sharp cutting mechanisms, and this is the cylinder freshly off the grinding wheel, all set back up, and you'll see it's a nice clean cut coming from the cylinder, no jagged cut. So now make sure the grasses are healthier